President is the head of state and the head of government, and it is the most powerful man in the world. And the main qualification for the American President is that he should born in USA and the age should be at least 35 years old. And he should be resident of USA for at least 14 years. And no president can become third time president. And it was 22nd Amendment 1951. After Roosevelt was elected for 4 times consecutively, and no any person can become president third time in USA. Main power of president are formation of cabinet to lead the country after winning the USA elections. Every president has to choose the cabinet for the departments of the state to run the government. And the second power of president to pardon the criminals. He can give a pardon to the criminals who are committed to crimes. This is the appointment of vacancies in the extent of Senate. Main civil servants are appointed with the extent of Senate. Duties of the President. Delivering the State of the Union address and the proposing the legislation.